So hello everyone, welcome back to the course of developing machine learning systems, and right now we are in the Python module. In the last video, we learned about how we can use Jupyter Notebook to execute Python code, and in the upcoming videos, we will be making ourselves comfortable in writing Python as programming language. In this video, we're going to learn about concept of variables and data types. So let us see what is variable and what is a data type and how they are used in programming languages. So if I write a statement, write like a equals to 1 and execute this, then what happens? What is a? What is this equal to? This is not equal to, this is assignment operator. In English, it is equal to. In programming languages, it is called assignment operator, which is used to assign values to something. Now, what is a? What is assignment? What is 1? Let's understand that. Let's understand what happens when I execute the statement. So most of the people, they buy a mobile phone or laptops or any digital device, they check for RAM. RAM is random access memory, which is used to execute softwares or to run softwares in your system. You say 2 GB RAM, 8 GB RAM, 16 GB RAM is something which you see. So that is the RAM I'm talking about. Now, when I execute this statement, your Python interpreter will take a section of your RAM and it will save one there. One is what? One is data. So it will save the data in your RAM, and a, which is called variable, your a will be referencing to the location where your data is saved. So when you execute this statement, a section of RAM gets allocated to your data and your data will be put there, and your variable a starts referencing to that particular location. So variable, it's nothing but it's a placeholder which reference or which contains the reference to the location of the data to which it is pointing right now. So a is referencing to 1 right now. Now what happens if I reassign this thing? So let's say if I execute a equals to 3, if I reassign, if I change the value of a, so is it like I'm changing the value of a? What happens? Let's see. So when I execute this line, then what happens? Python will again take a section of your RAM and it will save 3 there, and now a will stop referencing to 1, but a will start referencing to 3. So now a is referencing to 3 because 3 is something which is saved there for a. A will be referencing to 3 now. If you want to get what is the value your variable is referencing to, you can print the value of that variable by printing the variable. So you can execute this line and you will see 3 as an output because a is referencing to 3. Now if I reassign a to 1 again, if I execute this statement, if I print a again, so you will see a is referencing to 1, or a contains 1 as data. So that's how it is generally called. A contains 1 and previously a is containing 3. So this is the concept of variable and data. But I said data types. So now your data which is here can be of different types. It can be numerical. So it can be, let's say, your age. So let's say my age is 23 right now, and it can be my weight. So my weight is 73.4 kgs. Okay, so this is a decimal data, this is an integer data. So this is numerical data. It can also be character or sentence data. So my name is Sumit Tyagi. So that is a sentence or collection of words, which is also called string. It can be just simple character data. Let's say if I'm a male or a female, so I say I'm a male, so I just write M. That is a character. Okay, so there are different type of data which Python can work on. Let's learn about those data types in the next video. Thank you for joining this video. Let's see you in the next video.